Hey guys, how's it going? So, it has been 6 months since my brother has started using the Derma Roller on his face in order to grow a beard. So, that was the initial plan, was to use it for that 6 months, and if he felt like there was enough results, he would continue. But here we are, it's 6 months, and what do you think?
Before we started filming this video, we were looking at the pictures that I've taken over the months, and we were like really looking in, we're like trying to see, is there any difference? And we're like, looking at our phones, like putting our eyeballs up to it, and then it hit me. It's like, okay, if we're looking this hard, it's probably not really working that well. And the one thing that we did say is that if it was working at all, it was more thickening hairs that were already there, rather than filling in patchy places, places where there weren't any hairs visible in the first place. So for that reason, honestly, I'm not going to continue derma rolling on my face, because I just don't think it's going to fill in the areas that I don't have hairs. It might thicken the places that I do have hairs, but I just don't think that matters, because I'm not going to grow out a beard if it's patchy, even if it's thicker in some areas, even more so than it is now. And then one thing that I've kind of wanted to say the whole time we've been doing this is that we know that this is not the ideal way to grow a beard. We know, like, there's a billion different things that I could be doing on my face in conjunction with the derma roller that would be more effective. Like someone was saying in the comments, like, but are you drinking like collagen and I don't know, just different stuff like that. And like, there's definitely way better things I could be doing than just using a derma roller, or other things I could be using with it. But this was just to test specifically the derma roller only. So yeah, just to see if that was something that could work, aside from the other things that, everyone knows that you can use, like Minoxidil. So I am going to continue to use the derma roller on my head though, because it possibly did thicken my hairs. So maybe it can thicken some of the hairs, like on my hairline. So for that reason, yes, I'm still going to use it on my head, but to be completely clear, I'm not using it on my face anymore.
So you've had your fun.
I've had my fun, yes.
Yeah, I've been using the derma roller on my face as well the past little bit, and I don't feel like I've seen any new hairs either, but like he said, I feel like it's kind of thickened the hairs that I have. So, I mean, at least it does something, which is cool, but yeah, I don't know. I'm going to try it maybe even for a year on my face, because I really don't have anything else like to use, because I've used Minoxidil, and I don't think I'll use it again, and I don't know if there's anything else to use, so I might try it for a long time, but I'll only post like 2 videos. I'll post like a 6 months and a year video, so yeah. But yeah, so hopefully this video gave you an idea of if it's worth it or not. Like we said, it might thicken your hairs. We didn't see a ton of new growth. But, I mean, you could always try it, see what happens. But yeah, we appreciate you guys watching this video, and we'll be coming out with some more videos. They might have to deal with hair, they might not. We'll just see what happens. But yeah, thanks for checking this video out, and we'll see you guys next time.